Good day, students. My name is Mrs. Oludipe Odubolanle Oluremi. I am your mathematics teacher for this session, and the topic to be treated is Arithmetic of Finance Part 2, Lesson Objective. At the end of the lesson, students will be able to explain and find inflation and depreciation value of items. Enjoy the lesson. Arithmetic of Finance Part 2. In Part 1, we have treated simple and compound interest. Now, let us discuss inflation and depreciation. Inflation. Inflation is an increase in the price level over time. Inflation decreases the real value of money, which is the value of money in people's pockets. When economists refer to inflation today, they are referring to a general increase in the level of prices of goods and services. So, they are really talking about price inflation. The reason why I stress that is because sometimes, or especially when the term inflation first came into usage, it usually was referring to monetary inflation or an increase in the money supply. So it was referring to an increase in the money supply. In inflation, money constantly changes value. Have you ever had complaints about how prices rise? Inflation measures how much the cost of things rises. For example, here we can see how petrol prices have changed in Nigeria. Therefore, inflation is also the percentage rise in price per year for the whole of an economy. Thus, we use the same formula as the compound interest. F is equal to P bracket 1 plus capital letter R over 100 raised to power small letter n, where F is inflation, P is principal, R is rate, and N is time. Or F is equal to P bracket 1 plus small letter R raised to power of small letter n. F is inflation, P is principal, small letter r is capital letter R over 100, small letter n is time. Example 1. The cost of a new table is 1,050 naira now. If the inflation rate is 5%, what will be the price in 2 years? Solution. F is equal to P bracket 1 plus capital letter R over 100 raised to power of small letter n. P is equal to 1,050 naira. Capital letter R is equal to 5%. Small letter n is equal to 2. F is equal to 1,050 bracket 1 plus 5 over 100 raised to power of 2. Which is equal to 1,050 bracket 1 plus 0.05 raised to power of 2, which is equal to 1,050 bracket 1.05 raised to power of 2, which is equal to 1,050 bracket 1.1025, which is equal to 1,157 naira 626.25 kobo, which is equal to 1,157 naira 63 kobo. Let's go on a short break.